Ah, man. So usually it's pushed back and you don't feel as like... Oh, wait, just a sec. Close the door.
Uh-oh.
Ah, man. We have to plug it in real quick. It dies so fast because the GPS kills it so quickly.
What do you think the Daftarian group make a year, bro?
Well, they did, I think their sales were for this year, I think like $500 million in real estate sales.
No, I don't mind that.
Okay, this is AJ, by the way. So Daftarian Group, they handle the most beautiful houses here in Newport, Orange County, and Laguna, so forth.
Yeah.
So.
It's a serious tree, huh?
I know. Well, it's kind of in a weird place right now because they're painting. How's it looking so far?
It looks good.
He's got like even if you scratch it, it's still gonna be white underneath.
I mean, it looks way better, right?
Way better, right?
Yeah. Do 1,000 square feet.
I think
you have to stage it up right.
Look, we're treating this like a flip for him, basically, right? So it's like
Yeah.
spend the least amount, short on time, lower budget, and then obviously make the most, right?
You got next? Him. We got 3.
Okay, cool.
Ooh, what are we old?
Next. Not this game, next game. Oh! I forgot I had all the batteries on me.
What color is it?
White with carbon fiber black.
Right here. All right. Shoulder length. Further out, further out. Give yourself some stance. So if like I push you over, you want to be able to have some, bend your knees a little bit, use your knees and come into the shot a little bit. Put the ball in the cookie jar. I'm putting you way out of your comfort zone right now, I know that for sure.
I'm just debating if I want to play or not because I don't want to go.
So you can see like some people, they'll go hard, some people, they'll just jog and do their own thing, you know? What you been up to?
Nothing much. How about you?
Chilling. Are you in school? Like, what do you do?
I'm a photographer, photo editor. Okay. So I've been doing a lot of photo editing from home and schedule with that.
Never play
Awesome. Bro, DM me. AJ's Wi-Fi. DM me on IG. We should collab. I'm starting a podcast with the guy I pulled up with. So I'd be down to have you on there. Of course. We're about to run anyway, so.
That's the sword I was telling you, right?
About the sword?
Oh no, was I telling you, AJ? That's when I got knighted in Italy. That's the Medici family. Oh
really?
Yeah, no, I think I was telling.
You didn't tell me about the knighting. I would remember that for
Oh,
sure. Yeah.
okay. Medici family is like the royal family, right?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, that's it.
knighted a few years ago. That's because I'm half Sicilian.
Oh, are you?
Yeah,
Half Sicilian, half Hawaiian.
yeah. It's a crazy mix. My mom's like a Chihuahua, and my dad
And
is.
calm and crazy.
Yeah, well, that's my mom and dad. I'm like a mix, like kind of, yeah.
So you tan nicely.
Yeah, I tend. Kind of did some renovations throughout. I mean, we repainted the whole place, added all the turf, the deck, the dock as well. All that's all been redone. We've got a really nice sound system back here. That's just beautiful. Actually, you know what's cool is that when they did the boat parade recently, I was the music for the.
No way.
Yeah, I just blasted freaking Mariah Carey and stuff like Christmas music.
So I was telling Paul
And
that
so like,
sorry to interrupt you.
no, go ahead.
I was talking about your location and how you see up. So like you're down farther enough that you see straight up the lake, as opposed to like a couple houses down, you look straight at those houses.
Yeah, no, it's got a great view.
You ain't gotta do that to me. I'm just gonna follow them with the
And added all the
Perfect. We're gonna collab. This is a collaboration moment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Just I ask a lot
And
of
so it won't
questions.
even be.
So far for Jacob's scope, it's going to be obviously countertops, leveling the bar, flooring.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it looks like there's already a shoe-based molding there. So best case scenario, we can pop that off.
Yeah, pop these off.
Flooring and then just put the same one back on.
Perfect.
Yeah, the
Okay.
quarter mold.
So, yeah,
Get rid of this.
get rid of the.
Yeah, this one's easy.
Yeah, those three
the
bars,
drywall's
I don't
easy.
even
So you're
what that
saying
is.
you could just epoxy this and they'll paint it? I mean, luckily, did you change the glass out
Yeah,
already?
he said he
Yep.
changed the
Yeah.
glass, yeah.
The glass are replaced and the head and the knob.
yeah, perfect. So,
so it's all
So maybe here,
Just
just you have
match.
the black theme, you might as well
Follow.
just go with that matte black kind of vibe.
so I think,
Do
yeah, it
this,
is black. Yeah,
Like
yeah.
white.
Okay.
Yeah, toilet's great.
Yeah, toilet's brand new.
Yeah.
I just
Yeah.
swapped the toilet out as
Yeah.
well. It's like
So
some
that-
pink toilet or
That's
whatever.
not a big deal.
Pink?
Yeah, it was like
So,
pink. I haven't tried to carpet clean this yet. I don't know what that is actually.
No,
looks
that's-
it's like a liquid stain.
Okay.
Maybe
Yeah,
you're-
yeah, some kind of liquid.
Yeah.
Let me try and
almost
carpet
like,
clean.
Almost like a chemical stain.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, any tells that are like,
That remind them that it's
of
old.
it's
Yeah.
old. Yeah.
Okay.
It's like, you know what? You know why old people don't like elevators? Because when they take them, they feel like they're old. That's why they just buy one-story houses when they're older.
But now the young people, I don't know.
I think I lost a lot of brain cells.
Should we run upstairs?
Yeah, let's go ahead.
After you.
So I'm just,
And then this will be back.
Oh, okay. We were talking about another project that he's working on for us.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. These spaces always interested me.
You know what? This was the original color of the house. The entire house was that.
That's amazing. That's my favorite. That's how
Interior.
you know there's a deal.
Yeah.
The
that's
uglier,
why.
the uglier it is, the better.
No, that's what I was telling Michael. I was like, when I took up the deals, the landscaping was overgrown, all the kind of stuff, and I was
Yeah.
like, dude, this is all easy fixes. Like, it's not that expensive.
Yeah.
Were you nostalgic, so you left that?
Yeah, I left it. I was like, one little touch for the house.
Leave the Tuscan. The Sicilian
I
side
need to
came
get
out.
rid of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like,
What about this?
Paint this for sure. It's nice. It's a nice cabinet. This definitely looks like newly.
they're all new.
ones. Yeah.
Yeah, they're all new. They
Yeah.
don't have the-
It's got the slide out boxes.
I just
Yeah.
don't know why they chose brown, but I guess because the rest of the house.
It matched, right?
Yeah.
It matched. Plus, I think the family that owns it isn't trying to be like on trend. The people that
Yeah.
you bought
Oh,
it
that was
from.
yeah.
You ain't gotta do that to me.
Big bands in my vault. I said, want me flaunt. I said, want me ball. Keep me hung in the ball.
Ooh, baby. It's good to see you moving around like that.
Get some energy, man. Like, just get out, burn some calories. Drive around, show them the beach, show them the shopping center, and then bring it back. So,
What do you mean beach? Like this is
We
this
have-
one?
we have 3 private beaches.
Okay.
We have actual beaches, like sand, volleyball court, like everything. Let's see right here, I was loud, but then I can, oh, there.
Oh wow.
It turns all the valves off. So now it's only like, I think it's 24 valves, and then it turns it down to like, I don't know what it is, like 6 or something like that, or 8. That way your neighbors aren't always annoyed every time you come home. This is a 1,000 square feet suite, master
Yeah.
bedroom suite.
No, I know this is the high roller suite.
Yeah, I mean, look at it, like,
Yeah.
so I'll be in here. So a lot of times I'm doing work in here just because I don't want to go downstairs and
Yeah.
all that, right? I can just stay up here and to the wet bar and
All that water. Yeah.
No, I was just wondering like how he could even run that treadmill.
what's that?
I think one stride you're gonna fall off.
Oh no, yeah, no, I've been riding. Actually, I take it outside. It just was raining a couple of days ago,
Yeah.
so I brought it in. But I usually leave it outside.
And you just run outside. That's
yeah,
great.
alright, yeah, it's like staring at the lake.
Sorry. So obviously we got a.
I don't know what you do with that. I think just leave it, right? Because
Yeah.
so much
Yeah.
detail.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
I think it would
I
look
think
weird if we
just
tried
a
to
little
paint it.
tiny touch. Just have your painter just paint that black. It just again kind of dates it. Then it was all just shower floor to ceiling. It's major wow factor.
Yeah.
We call-
Actually, maybe I could just do a his and hers, and I just do another doorway in, and
I would. Yeah. I think that's another great selling feature.
Yeah, the
is
his
the
and hers
his and hers.
toilets, right?
The toilets. Yeah.
because it's basically another toilet right there, anyways.
Yeah. You got plumbing right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. No, that's great.
So just turn it
Just
the other way,
Jacob,
make
take
a door.
peek in there. You just drywall it and then get a second door.
Yeah.
ایرانی هستی؟
من ایرانیم بله. سلام پیمان.
پیمان ارجن.
ارجن جان خوبی؟
Man with the best ideas.
We're both Persian.
Oh, you guys are Persian. Oh,
No, my wife is his sister.
Okay.
Yeah. So I understand Farsi.
awesome.
Yeah, we've been together for 26 years.
Awesome.
Yeah. You 1,000 square feet.
I think
you have to stage it up
I-
right.
look, we're treating this like a flip for him, basically, right? So it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
spend the least amount, short on time, lower budget, and then obviously make the most, right? I think the carpet is my big thing.
Okay.
4.5. I mean, listen, like one of our old clients bought a house on the lake here. I've lived in Orange County my whole life since I was 2. I'm 47. I know who lives on the lake, and this is like someone who doesn't want to go spend like 11 to 15 million dollars in like
Yeah.
Lido or Balboa.
And still
or,
somewhat feel like they're on the water. So now
well,
they're
there's
up
a
here.
different
Yeah.
life out here too. You don't have to be, you don't have to have the latest car and the latest whatever. You could drive a Ford Focus, or you could have a Aventador. No one cares. People
Yeah.
are like normal. They're normal people around here.
Yeah,
they
they're
have
definitely
money.
normal people.
But like, if you flex up, they're like, hey, cool, our neighbor.
Big bands in my vault. I said, want me flaunt. I said, want me ball. Catch me hung in the book.
Neighbors, like, obviously this
Yeah,
young.
and if you're not flexing, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, they don't
Whatever's
care,
cool.
right? So
Big bands in my vault. I said,
you get away from that Newport bubble.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. We
Yeah,
live-
no, like if anything, the flex here is like the guy's on a lake. What the purpose was if he wanted it so
It's just
bad.
nothing for me.
Yeah.
No.
Because
At least,
they're like the automatic friends. Like everybody's waving at each other because they know that we're on a private boat versus on one of the rentals.
Yeah.
And that's the difference. Is everybody's like, okay, they live on the lake versus.
Yeah, this is a great lifestyle play.
Yeah.
I just think that, again, like Michael was saying, if we want to go to market and have it sell quickly, it's got to feel like turnkey, like someone
Okay.
can just move in,
Yeah. And then they can make their little changes here and there, but
Yeah.
they can move in and do it while they're doing it versus.
Yeah, I think the cabinets being kind of the same color as the sink, it would probably be, honestly, the not my number one priority. I would rather save and again, it's just paint. It's not that big of a deal, but I think the floors are really
The floors,
Yeah,
okay.
just having we want to take the market at $4.5 million. I think you can't have like carpet. It doesn't matter how nice the carpet is. I think the last thing too, we can kind of just go over the square footage in the rooms that are staged here to get a pretty accurate bid from him. And then I think the big thing besides just the cost is going to be the time, how quickly things can happen. And then Jacob, maybe you can come up with a solution for the stairs because we can't run, wood everywhere and then have carpet on the stairs. Yeah.
What exit are we taking? Alton?
I'll let you know. Where are you at? Come to GP. We're pulling up in the 458. Yeah, pull up. Oh, we're not pulling up. We're literally flying, bro. Holy shit.
I would do a black. Like not a true black, almost like an ash, kind of like
Like
we can-
graphite, kind of like, or
black, but not like gloss. Mike,
Okay.
I was thinking the door should be black, inside and out.
Sure.
Yeah,
okay.
just because you have the iron.
This is that Pelican Point house that it's going to be open tomorrow. Actually, if you can come over to
I'll come
Newport.
look at it. Okay.
So let me tell
This
you,
is the staging.
This is a
That's the
house.
wood? Okay.
So listen, this house has been on the market for 4 days. It's the most expensive price per square foot ever in the history of the community. All the bathrooms are original. We didn't do any plumbing, nothing. We just ran wood, painted, did lighting,
Well, vinyl.
staged, all vinyl. Sorry, I call it wood, but cleaned up the landscaping, and then it's already in
Yeah.
escrow. We just put an escrow.
What do they call it now? They call it.
We just closed on it like 3 weeks ago.
8 million for a house that probably should have sold for
6.5.
6.5.
We're in escrow on the house next door with our own buyer. It's bigger. It has a pool. The other house didn't have a pool. Exact same view. 6.7 million.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I mean the lady, she paid 4.6 for it. She put 600 grand into it. We sold it for 8 million.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's actually a really good deal.
Yeah, that's why people keep on calling us. I mean, most realtors don't know how to. I mean, they can make suggestions,
no,
but they
that's the
don't.
thing is
They don't
that,
know.
So, like, try to. who did we just meet with? Like, who was that?
That's the Daftarian group. It's like they'll probably be like the next ones to have like a Netflix show for the realtors in OC.
Netflix show.
Yeah, they kill it. And they're like Newport, Laguna, like OC basically. So.
And is it like just that group, like those 3 guys, and like obviously they have
Some realtors and stuff, okay. But it's them two. They're the Daftarians.
Okay.
Those two. They're the owners of the group. So there's realtors under them, but these are the main 2 guys that run the whole brokerage. The brokerage is actually named after that guy Paul, the Persian guy.
Right.
He's Daftarian. And so when I was looking at selling this house, and I started asking around, a lot of people were saying to try to get a hold of their group. So check this out, man. Like,
they were some stand-up guys, man. Really nice. Definitely would want to get a drink with them and learn from them, bro.
Here's one of the brokers for the Daftarian. Here we go.
What's your favorite thing about the Ferrari?
The exhaust. So the 458 is a naturally aspirated engine, meaning that it's like an original V8 engine, versus the 488 is a V6 turbo. And so it's a purer engine, but then they just sped up the engine, right? And so the exhaust, if you listen to the both, if you listen to the 488 and the 458, the exhaust on here is meaner because it's an actual V8 engine. So it has a nice rumble and all that kind of stuff. So see this? So like you can change your valves that are open. So watch. Oh wait, here. I'll show you right here. While we're going up this hill, you'll hear the noise difference. I can turn off the valve, so like if I'm like in a neighborhood like this, and I'm by my neighbors, and they don't want to like keep hearing me all the time. So yeah, so you can turn the valves down like that, and it's like it's supposed to be quiet. And then if I were to, I guess we'll turn it when we get down here. I always turn my valves off when I'm in my neighborhood because I'm sure my neighbors probably get tired of hearing the car.
That carbon's crazy.
Here we're fine. Red light. See how they're like pilling out the whole time? You hear all that pilling out? We're like in second gear. We're just like in control. This thing is so sticky, but it is cold tonight, so the tires still have to warm up. But we have temperature gauges on the tire. Like every single tire, I have a temperature gauge on the computer system, so that if your tire is like the optimal for racing is like 120, like minimum 120 degrees, which is why they like to try to warm up all their tires, you know, before they race and stuff. So also why they don't race in cold weather. The tires have to be 120 degrees. So like even right now, that's why we're skipping a whole bunch, trying to go down the street, versus if we're like on the highway and it's warmed up after like 20, 30 minutes, they wouldn't have skipped that much. It would have like caught the traction like easily.
Italia.
Another thing with the Ferrari, the brake system is forever. The brake systems, you never replace the brake pads ever, or rotors. They just last forever. So the only reason you would ever replace the brake pads or the rotors is if you got in an accident or something happened, like a rock chip or something like got in between those, which is like very, very rare for that to happen. It's like a crazy ceramic setup. So the thing could be like 20 years old on the brake system, but you still would never replace the brake pads.
Why is that? How is that?
It's just some special metal that Ferrari uses. Some ceramic metal that Ferrari uses. It's a trip. And so like if you were to get in an accident and actually have to replace them, it's like 17 or 18,000 per wheel. Just replace the rotor and the brake pad. Some special metal.
It's the first time I'm hearing that.
Yeah, it's crazy. Like crazy to think that, right? Like, and we're like crazying all around. That's why I can stomp on the brakes. Brakes are sticky. It's crazy that you'd never have to replace a brake pad. So if you lost just the rims and the brakes and you had to replace just those alone, you're over 100 grand.
This feels like a roadster, bro. You're just on the ground.
Yeah, on the ground, low. Can kind of cushion the shocks a little bit. It's kind of bumpy, but now the other thing, the Ferrari, it's not fun to drive if you're like in a parking lot or if you're like in a stop and go traffic. It's just not meant to go 5 miles an hour. It's when you hit your gas, it wants to go every single time. So when you're in stop and go traffic, you're just like head jerking the whole time.
I heard that like the SVJ Roadster is like one of the worst cars as far as like shifts. Just clunky as hell.
Oh, for the shifting?
Right. Like it just drops you into the shifts. It's like you're paying $500,000 for a car that.
So this one has I don't know what kind of transmission the Roadster has, but this has the F1 transmission. It's a dual clutch system. So one clutch is in, one clutch is out. And so when one is being brought out, the other one's being brought in. And it's like, it's a most smooth transition for shifting I've ever been in. The only reason why we have the boom, boom, boom is because the engine's just wanting to go. And if you're already redlining on that certain gear, and then you switch to the next gear, of course you're gonna feel the impact. Like a rocket getting on the next booster. And this will happen like that all the way through all 7 gears. You can be obviously first gears. Like, I don't even pill out in first gear. It's not even, it's point. I have some properties where liquid's just tied up. Equities, a lot of equity, but it's just very hard to tap it. Like pre-development, where we have a lot of equity, we have the permits and the approvals, but it's very hard to tap that kind of stuff. So you have to finish out the development first. Expensive cars will have the passport. You ever seen these ones? Passports?
No. What is that?
Radar system, but you can enable it to go ghost mode. So basically, no cop can radar or laser you. The system will intercept the laser and then shoot back a different signal, like a bad signal. You can only have it on once, so because if they try to shoot you again and they catch you with it, it's like totally illegal or whatever. But the passport thing is very strong, so you can see all the signal, you can see how fast, how close the cop is to you, all that kind of stuff.
Texas.
What part of Texas?
Houston.
Dude, Houston's got some fun spots.
Great food, yeah.
So Houston's crazy because it's so spotty, right? Like you go like one neighborhood is super nice and fancy and everything, and then you go another neighborhood, it's like opposite. It's like
that's kind of why like I came here was because
like, just kind of sprawled out and it's kind of
very
hard
segregated.
To, like,
extremely,
yeah.
And the policing is very segregated. You could literally be on one side of the street, call 911, tell them there is an emergency, and the
They
difference
wanna come.
between it being private, like a private patrol versus HPD,
Yeah.
is 1 block, bro. Like the difference
Yeah.
between you getting an ambulance that's going to save your life versus you dying is 1 block. And
Yeah.
hundreds of millions, not hundreds of millions, multiple $1 million homes versus, yeah, exactly. Like,
Yeah, that's what I
50,
mean. Like,
100,000.
it was a trip. I went out there to look for real estate. I was looking at apartment complexes a couple of years ago, and I couldn't figure out the neighborhoods because most cities they have like you start getting to the nice area and the whole area is nice, and then you get to another area and that's like East LA or whatever, right? But in Houston, it was like just spotty. It was just like you said, it was like across the street, and it's something completely different.
Just like you and your
So-
family has been in a lot of fires, floods. Like I woke up for example, one night I was gaming,
Yeah.
just started seeing water come into the house.
That's
I mean,
crazy.
although it kept coming up, man, and we were in a 1-story home at the time, literally
Right to
flooded
left
all.
or straight?
U-turn,
Left, right?
U-turn.
I still think it's crazy. My tree decorator. Just like,
Why don't you decorate it with the kids?
dude, that tree that would not be fun. So I'm like trying to find a decorator right now. I would not want to decorate that tree, man. Like, it takes a professional decorator like 2 days to do it.